Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 10th standard mathematics chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.11. Now problem number 2. Solve the following quadratic equations by formula method. Totally we have 4 subdivisions. In this video we can do subdivision 1 and 2. Particularly in quadratic equations, solving the quadratic equations, so far we have completed factorization method and completing a square method. Now we are going to do how to solve the equation by formula method. Here the roots of the quadratic equation, you know the general form of the equation, quadratic ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. This is the formula. X equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac the whole divided by 2a. A is the coefficient of x squared and b is the coefficient of x and c is the constant term. Now exercise 11, problem number 2, first subdivision. Right? Now write the values of a, b, c first. A is the coefficient of x squared 2. B that is equal to minus 5 and c equals 2. 2 minus 5 and 2. Write the formula. X equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a minus b value minus 5 plus or minus square root of b square, b that is equal to minus 5 the whole square minus 4 into a into c, a value 2, c value also 2 whole divided by 2 into a value is 2. Minus into minus 5 that is equal to plus 5 plus or minus square root of minus 5 the whole square equals 25 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 whole divided by 4 equals 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 16 that is equal to 9 whole divided by 4 that is equal to 5 plus or minus 9 is a perfect square, therefore the square root of 9 that is equal to 3 can directly write divided by 4. So which implies x. Here x has two values, one is 5 plus 3 by 4, another one is 5 minus 3 by 4. X equals 5 plus 3 by 4 and x equals 5 minus 3 by 4. 5 plus 3 that is equal to 8 by 4 that is equal to 2. Here 5 minus 3 that is equal to 2 by 4 that is equal to 2 table 1 time 2 time that is 1 by 2. 1 in numerator, 2 in denominator, 1 by 2. Here x equals 2, here x equals 1 by 2. Therefore finally write the result. The roots are 2 and 1 by 2. Subdivision number 1 is over. Now subdivision number 2. Here write a, b and c. A is the coefficient of f square, right? Because the equation in terms of f. So f squared coefficient is root 2, that is a. B is the coefficient of f, that is minus 6, and 3 root 2 that is constant. Then here the equation in terms of f, now you have to write f equals, not x equals, f equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac the whole divided by 2a equals minus formula minus b equals minus 6 plus or minus square root of b square that is minus 6 the whole square minus 4 into a into c, a value root 2 and c value 3 root 2 whole divided by 2 into a value is root 2. You have to simplify. Minus into minus 6 plus or minus root of whether it is 6 square or minus 6 square, 36 only, minus 4 into 3, 12 into root 2 into root 2 that is equal to 2 whole divided by 2 into root 2 is 2 root 2 only equals 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 12 2s are 24 divided by 2 root 2 equals 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 24, that is equal to 12 divided by 2 root 2. 12 is not a perfect square, we have to factorize. I do it here. 12 divide only by the prime number, can go for 2 table. 2 table how many times? 6 times. And again 2 table 3 times. 3 table 1 time. Right, 2, 2, 3. That is, first write 6 plus or minus root of, instead of 12 we can write 2 into 2 into 3 divided by 2 root 2 equals 6 plus or minus. Then remember, double 2 can write only 1 2 because 2 2s are 4. 4 square root is 2. We can write outside the square root. Which one is left out? 3. Write 3 here divided by 2 root 2. So single number to be written inside the square root. For double 2 you can write 2 outside the square root. Okay, this and all I have learnt in 9th standard itself. Here we have 2 roots, 6 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 2 and 6 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 2. Okay, we can simplify. These two cannot be added because unlike terms, but we can take 2 as common because 2 and 6 both the numbers come in which table? 2 tables. I take 2 as common. If you take 2 as common, you will be getting 3 plus root 3 because 2 3s are 6. 2 into root 3 equals 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 2. 2 to get cancelled. That is equal to 3 plus root 3 divided by 2. 3 plus root 3 divided by root 2. Next, here also we can take 2 as common. If you take 2 as common, you will be getting 3 minus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. So outside the 2, here 2 get cancelled. We will be getting 3 minus root 3 divided by root 2. Okay, these two cannot be added, these two cannot be subtracted. That's all you can write that answer. Therefore the roots are 3 plus root 3 by root 2 and 3 minus root 3 divided by root 2. So subdivision 1 and 2 are over. I'll be teaching the remaining 2 subdivisions in problem number 2 in the next video. Thank you, children.